Today we will be testing a Bollinger Bands strategy. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing hundreds of strategies and indicators, and I'm testing more every single day. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable trading strategy with a custom indicator. And we have an amazing community over on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader. If you are interested in getting access to the spreadsheets of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested, as well as a free trial to our custom indicator, you can just sign up for our Patreon down below. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a Bollinger Bands strategy. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 567 different strategies. The best one so far was able to achieve a 78% win rate. That was achieved using the Academy of Forex indicator and the Academy of Forex higher time frame fractal candles indicator on a strategy that I'll mention later on in this video. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a Bollinger Bands strategy. And so the source video says, you're using Bollinger Bands wrong. Do this instead. And so of course, we're going to put that to the test and see what we can get out of it. Now, I will say that Bollinger Bands is one of the oldest indicators that we have since trading became kind of a more popular thing. I mean, trading's been going on for ages and ages, but since stock market and kind of standard trading charts became a thing, Bollinger Bands have been around for a long time. And I imagine that the Bollinger Band indicator has been combed through in just about every single possible way that you could use it. So I find it hard to believe that someone found kind of a new way to use it. But maybe the source video is saying is that we're just using it wrong as far as kind of the general public consensus goes of it. But nonetheless, like I said, we'll put the strategy to the test and see what we can get out of it. So the first indicator we will add to the screen, no surprise, is going to be the Bollinger Bands indicator. And it's going to be this one right here. It's going to be just the standard Bollinger Bands built-in indicator from TradingView. Go ahead and click on that and add it to the screen. Then jump in to the inputs. And this is the part where I assume source video was saying that you are using it wrong. So what we're going to do is change the length to 100 and everything else stays on the default settings. Go ahead and click OK. The second indicator we will add to the screen is called the Breakout Finder. It's going to be this one right here. Go ahead and click on that and add it to the screen. And then go ahead and jump into the settings and just double check that your period is set to 9 and the breakout length is set to 200. And we have 3 and 2 right here. Go ahead and click OK. And so what we're looking for a short trade setup is we're looking for when we get a red arrow like this here from the breakout finder. When we get that red arrow at the same time, we want price to either be breaking below the lower Bollinger Band or we want it to be outside of the lower Bollinger Band like it is right here. And that'll be the signal to then enter into a short. So we'll put our trade right here. We're going to put our stop at the midline right here. And we are going to target a 1 to 1.5 risk to reward, just like so. Let's go ahead and play this forward and see how it plays out. Alright, so it takes just a little while, but you can see here that we eventually make our way down, getting us to our take profit. And for a long trade setup, what we are looking for, so we're looking for a blue arrow from the breakout finder. And then again, we want price to either be breaking above the upper Bollinger Band or we want it to be outside of that upper Bollinger Band, just like it is here. And that'll be our signal to then enter into a long. We'll put our trade there, put our stop at the midline right there and target same 1 to 1.5 risk to reward. Actually put it right about there. Let's go ahead and play this one forward and see how it plays out. And just like before, it takes a little while, but we eventually push our way up, getting us to our take profit once again. Before we take a look at the numbers on this strategy, if you're looking for a profitable strategy, I highly recommend that you check out the best strategy that we have tested so far. It has been put up against hundreds of other strategies and every single time has come out to be more profitable. I'll put a link to the video on this strategy up in the corner now, and on screen right now you will see the thumbnail to that video, so you're sure that you're getting to the right one. So you don't have to worry about not finishing this current video. Alright, let's go ahead and go over the numbers on the strategy. So we did the 50 trade test, and out of those 50 trades, we had 22 winning trades and 28 losing trades. It's going to put it at a 44% win rate. And so with the 1 to 1.5 risk to reward, if you were looking to gain $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $13,200. On the losing side, you would have been risking $400 per losing trade. Your total loss would have been $11,200. That would have put your total profit and loss at a gain of $2,000. So not a horrible strategy. Now, it did take a little while, a couple months to get through all those 50 trades. The trades were kind of spread out a decent little amount across that period of time, obviously. And so the $2,000 again, over a few months, maybe not the best strategy, most profitable strategy, but that's up to you to decide. Now, during the same period of time, with the Academy of Forex indicator and the higher time frame fractal candle indicator combined, we did right at 44 trades altogether. We had right at a 75% win rate and a total gain right at $15,000. So definitely better results. If you have not already seen it, I'd like to introduce you to the newest indicator here at the Academy of Forex. It's a very simple but very powerful indicator. What it does is it helps to predict or anticipate what future price might be doing within a specific future time frame. To do this, we are aligning a higher time frame and specific candle formations, which make up the red and green tags as well as the blocked out period of time in between these two gray lines. This indicator can be used to enhance the win rate of existing strategies or indicators you may be using. For example, like the Academy of Forex indicator, which I did a whole video on, or it can be used just as powerful as a standalone indicator. For example, when we pick up a red label like this here, what we can anticipate is price is going to make for example, when we pick up a red label like this here, we can predict or anticipate that price is going to make an open, high, low, close formation. Or when you get a green tag, you can anticipate a open, low, high, close formation. This powerful knowledge will help you align yourself with the true direction in which the market is attempting to go. If you are interested in accessing this new indicator, just join our Patreon down below. Once you join our Patreon, you'll get access to our Discord, and just go into the NQ indicator request, tag me at DP Roberts, and request access to the higher time frame fractal candles indicator. Alright, that's going to put us at the end of the testing on the strategy here. We're going to go ahead and put it on the yes list, and we'll move on to the next video from here.